Mistakes are going to be inevitable. It's the way it goes, especially as our scheme coding gets a little bit more and more, well, verbose. So what I'm trying to show you is that our flavor of scheme actually does try to help us locate the error. And again, I said, it's off and on, but we got to be careful about it. It does try. So in this example, I've got code that runs, and I'm going to delete something on purpose just to show you the error. So I'm going to delete that parenthesis, and I'm going to try to run it. So behind the scenes here is that when we go ahead and try to run our scheme, there's actually two things going on that I want to bring your attention to. First is the set of numbers that's right after it says error, and that's 12.13. 12 means the line number, and 23 means the actual character number starting with 1 in that line. So that's the first part. That's supposed to be helpful. The next part is the datum or EOF expected. If you happen to see that actual set of tokens there, that means that there is a parenthesis missing. Just plain short, sweet, and not all your errors are going to be that way, but at least you know, if you see it, then you know what it is. And that's exactly what the error was. Now, in some cases, I'm going to show you another one here that I'm going to fix here. It doesn't always work perfectly. So I'm going to put this parenthesis back so we know where it is, and I'm going to take out this parenthesis right here. I'm going to do the exact same thing again. GSI. And notice that says line 1. It does say datum, which was the parenthesis again, or EOF expected. But the bad part is that that line 9 is a parenthesis. That's actually right here. So if you know that line is right, it's got to be above it. So it's the only bad part about this, but we actually have that issue in C++ and Java too, especially with all the parentheses and the block-like structure that we have. So it's not perfect, but at least can be helpful when you're in a rush.